I'm Peter Mucklow and I'm the Director of Apprenticeships at the Department for Education. And I'm here at the NSO Symposium today with the UK Shipbuilding Skills Task Force. And the task force has got a really important job. It's trying to identify the skills that we'll need in future in shipbuilding, work out what the gap is between the skills that we'll have and the skills that we need, and work out ways of bridging that gap. And it's really important for us to be here today because we've got over 300 industry leaders and we're consulting them about the solutions that we're coming up with to those skills issues.
Perfect. And how's the event going so far?
It's fantastic. We had a great fire alarm just before lunch, which made sure we all got to have lunch on time. But no, seriously, we've got 300 people here who are the leaders of the UK shipbuilding industry, not just the builders, but also the suppliers. They've all come to Edinburgh here today for this symposium and for the SMI conference tomorrow. And they're really engaging in trying to influence the UK Shipbuilding Skills Task Force and government on what needs to be done on skills and on shipbuilding more widely. At the moment, the industry has got a lot of good orders coming through and it's got a lot of export potential, both in the leisure market and in defence. But the state of technology means that the skills that are being needed are going to change in future. And also, we've been through periods where there's been a bit of a drought of orders and the workforce has maybe left shipbuilding and gone into other sectors. So we've got really two issues to address. One is to attract people into shipbuilding, not just young people, but also adults mid-career. And then to identify the skills for the future, not just the skills that we've needed in the past, and make sure that there are ways in which those people can acquire those skills and we can then attract them into shipbuilding. It's the UK Shipbuilding Skills Task Force has got some of the best people in the country on it working together on identifying the solutions to these problems. And that gives me and the whole Department for Education and all the devolved administrations great confidence that the recommendations that they're going to come up with are really going to hit the mark.